In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Acrobat not responding. If Acrobat is freezing, hanging on startup, or refusing to open a document, follow along and we'll get it running smoothly again. First, make sure Acrobat is fully closed. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager, then look for anything named Acrobat.exe, Adobe Acrobat, or Acrobat Reader. Right-click each one and choose End Task. This clears stuck background processes so we can start fresh. Next, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro directly from your desktop icon or Applications folder. Don't double-click a PDF yet. Opening the app by itself helps us avoid triggering a problematic file right away. If Acrobat tends to freeze immediately at launch, it's often because it's trying to reload a corrupted, very large or broken PDF from the previous session. If Acrobat opens successfully, go to the Preferences window. On Windows, that's under the menu. On Mac, look under Acrobat Pro. You can also use Ctrl plus K on Windows or Command plus comma on Mac to get there quickly. In the left sidebar, select the General category. Uncheck the option that says Open PDFs from last session on Acrobat Launch, then click OK. This prevents Acrobat from automatically reopening the file that may have caused the freeze in the first place. If Acrobat is still unstable, use the built-in Repair tool. Click Help in the top menu bar or use the menu button if you're on a newer layout and select Repair Installation. When prompted, click Yes to allow Acrobat to scan and fix itself. Let the repair complete, then restart your computer to finalize any changes. This step replaces missing or corrupted program components and often resolves persistent, not responding issues. After the restart, open Acrobat again. Go back into Preferences with Ctrl plus K or via the menu, and this time choose Security, Enhanced on the left. Uncheck Enable Protected Mode at Startup, and also uncheck Enable Enhanced Security. Click OK, close Acrobat, and then try opening your document again. Disabling these protections can help when a security sandbox or policy is blocking a trusted file from opening. Use this only for troubleshooting and with documents you trust, as these settings reduce protection. You can re-enable them later once the issue is resolved. That's it. By force closing Acrobat, launching it cleanly, preventing last session files from loading, running a repair, and adjusting security settings, you can usually eliminate freezes and get back to work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix Acrobat not responding.